Hello folks, today I've got a unique set of keycaps from a company called Sour Lemon Tech. Sour Lemon Tech is a Hong Kong based company who make Artisan keycaps, and they've sent over a set of their upcoming keycaps for me to share with you all today. And I'm not talking about just one or two individual keycaps, but an entire set to fill a whole keyboard. I've actually got 114 resin keycaps here. Now, this is a pre-production set. It's due to launch sometime in December 2023, and you can check the latest updates on the Sour Lemon Tech's Instagram page. I'll leave a link in the video description below. I believe there will be 3 different variations or colorways of this keycap set. I don't know the official name yet, but it has a nautical style theme to it. This is a very brief video to showcase this pre-production set, see what it looks like on the keyboard, and of course do a quick typing demo. So let's take a closer look at some of the keycaps, then I'll start fitting them onto a keyboard. So now let's fit these keycaps to a keyboard, and to fully show off the see-through resin design, I'm using this Keycaps Phantom 81 keyboard, the clear acrylic version. Wow, that actually looks awesome. I've never seen an entire keyboard with all resin keycaps before. Now this keyboard is already really heavy, but with all the resin keycaps, it actually adds more weight to it. Now, since this is a pre-production set, there are some slight imperfections to some of them. For example, the spacebar is not fully straight. It's kind of curved at both ends, so it doesn't sit fully flush on the keyboard. And not all of the keycaps sit flush in terms of height, and a couple don't fully fit into the switches very well or are slightly loose, but I'm sure this will be rectified in the retail versions. So let's try some typing. This resin keycap set certainly looks unique, especially an entire keyboard full. If you're interested in this set, I'll leave all the relevant links in the video description below. Now, as this is a pre-production set, I don't know the actual pricing yet. However, you can get all the latest updates from the Sour Lemon Tech's Instagram page, links in the video description below. Well folks, thanks for watching this very brief video. Leave any questions or comments below and I'll do my best to come back to you. Until next time, take care and I'll see you on the next one.